Every day starts with my alarm ringing at 7 a.m. I jump out of bed, stretch a little, and head straight to the kitchen for a cup of coffee. That first sip is pure magic. After breakfast, I take a quick shower and get dressed for the day. By 8 a.m., I'm ready to tackle my to-do list. I usually spend the morning working on projects, responding to emails, and attending meetings. I find that taking short breaks helps me stay focused. Around noon, I enjoy a light lunch, often something healthy like a salad or a sandwich. In the afternoon, I like to squeeze in a quick workout or a walk outside to recharge. After work, I unwind by reading a book or watching a show. Finally, I wrap up my day with a little reflection before bed. This routine keeps me balanced and energized.